today we are going to go ahead and try the Product Junkie Naturals Passion Fruit Oil Snapback Curls Leave-In Conditioner. Welcome back, Roses. This is Olena, otherwise known as OlenaRosanne. If you are new to my channel, make sure you go ahead and click that subscribe button now and that notification bell, so we get that out of the way. And if you are not new, thank you for coming back. It come in with just a regular top, but the spray attachment was also included because this is a thin product. It sprays right on out as you just saw, and it disappeared right into my hand as you saw, so I expect that to disappear right into my hair. A few reasons why I got this: the name alone, Snapback Curls, and also this is made with passion fruit oil. So if you're wondering if this smells good, yes, it does. This actually reminds me of one of my Bath and Body Works scents. It smells really good, but it's not overly perfumey, if that makes any sense. It's not just going to like stop you in your tracks. It's very, very thin just like water. And what I'm going to do is use this in my hair. And I'm not going to do any particular style this time around. All I want to do is just see what it does as far as moisture. Now, this does say directions. Okay, y'all, I don't even know when this stopped. We're just gonna start right here. I am applying this leave-in to my hair. Get the moisture in here. This is not greasy, it's not super slippery. I can still hold on to the bottle, and I do like the fact that the sprayer on here makes it easy to hold on to the bottle, because this could be slipping and sliding every which way, and it's not. And all I'm doing is just adding some moisture into my hair, and I'm going to go ahead and put it maybe into 2 braids. And my point in doing this is just to put moisture into my hair. That's it. While I stretch my hair out without heat for my next style. It feels good. Like, I think this is a good product if you do use a pick. You can go in and the moisture gets in there and you can start picking out your hair. Or if you use a brush like this, there you go. Okay, Roses, I am back. It's the next day. My hair looks different, yes, because I did a triple protective style for today. My hair is still in those 2 braids. They're just pinned up underneath the wig, which is underneath a head wrap. Yeah, so let me go ahead and take this down. Yes, there's a video on this wig on the channel. You don't need to worry about that rubber band right now. All we need to do is take this. And this is how I had my hair pinned up. And moving on to the results of the Product Junkie Naturals Passion Fruit Oil Snapback Curls Leave-In Conditioner. As I said before, I did not use anything else, just the snapback curls, no oil or anything. Yeah, I'm going crazy right now. Look like Pippi Longstocking. Let me know if you know who that is. Let me know down in the comments if you know who that is. Okay, let me take this down. The ends of my hair are soft. They're not brittle. That's good. And as I'm taking down this braid, my hair is soft. Wow, and even got a little bit of definition, y'all. Okay. At this point, are we even surprised anymore? Those that are Product Junkie Natural fans and are used to my channel, my hair is still a tiny bit damp right there, but that's how my hair is. When it comes to braids, it just takes longer. My hair still smells good. And I can still feel a little bit of the oil that's in it. You can feel it, but my hands are not greasy, not at all. This is not a greasy product at all. No stickiness. It's just as liquid as water. And does water stick? No, it don't. So this is not sticking either. Look at that. So remember, my whole point was to stretch out my hair, and my hair is getting stretched. Okay. Look at that. So I am satisfied. This works. This will be a great product just to spray into my son's head, or he can spray himself. Well, I'm going to spray because he can't be using too much of my product. But this will be a great refresher just to refresh his hair during the week as well as mine. Let me know if you've tried this. Make sure at any time, if you choose to use my code that's listed in the description box, discount code OlenaRosanne, okay? I mean, yeah. I'm not forcing you or anything, but it does help me out. Y'all know I be bringing these Product Junkie Natural videos. So right now, what am I gonna do? What am I gonna do? I'm gonna do something too, but my hair is nice, prepped, soft, fluffy, and ooh, it smells good. And definitely moisturized. Y'all go ahead and make sure you check out my current giveaway, which will end September 3rd. 2021, depending on when you watch this. Go ahead and enter, y'all, and let's go ahead and get this channel up to 1,000. all right? So other than that, roses, I will talk to you later.